If I shuffle this deck of cards, what are the chances of you drawing an ace? Probably 4 out of 52, right? As there are 4 ace cards in a full deck of cards. So, in this video, we'll learn how to compare probabilities. Probability is a way of measuring how likely something is to happen. We can show probabilities as fractions, decimals, or percentages. They always range from 0 to 1, or 0% to 100%. For example, the probability of flipping a coin and getting heads is 50% or a half, or rolling a 6 on a standard die being 1/6, about 16.7%. But why is this important? Comparing probabilities is needed to understand which events are more likely to happen than others. In real-life scenarios, it's helpful in things like deciding the best strategy in a game, predicting the weather, or planning based on risks. To compare probabilities, we start by making sure they are in the same form: fractions, decimals, or percentages. Here are realistic real-world examples, so let's compare. A weather forecast says there's a 40% chance of rain tomorrow. A game show offers a 2 in 5 chance of winning a prize. Which is more likely to happen? Start by converting the probabilities into the same form. In this case, let's stick to percentage. We can keep 40% as is and just change 2/5 into a percentage as well. 2/5 is 4/10, which is 40%. This is sort of a trick question, as they're equally likely to happen. Now it's your turn. The probability of rolling a number greater than 4 on a die is 1/3. The probability of drawing a heart from a deck of cards is 1352. Which is more likely, or has the higher probability? Pause the video, calculate, and compare. Let's see how you did. Always start by converting the probabilities to another form, such as decimals or percentages, for an easier comparison. 1/3 is 0.333, or about 33%. 1350 seconds is a quarter, so 0.25 or 25%. Since 33% is bigger than 25%, rolling a number greater than 4 on a die is more likely than drawing a heart from a deck of cards. Great work! Remember, comparing probabilities is all about using a common form and thinking logically. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to help us reach 1 million subscribers.